Hey everyone, hope all of you are well, and today I am here in front of you to talk about English language. Why so many people afraid about English language? Why you need to learn English language? Because English is so crucial in our daily life. English is so important in our daily life because of this is an international language. If you want to communicating with different kinds of people, you should have enough comprehension about English language. If you want to do a business with international clients, or if you are a freelancer, you need to communicating with each and every kind of people. They might be not understanding your native language. So that is the only one way is to communicating with them effectively, which is English language. You must need to know English language in order to have a great understanding and great communication skills. Enhancing your communication capability. Enhancing to effective communication with your client. Or maybe there are so many more reasons around the world of English language. So many people have been learning English language since their childhood. So many people started learning English language since their elementary school or since their middle school. Still they are learning. So many people have been learning English language through their grammar books, some boring methods, and those are really not effective process. So I would say, if you really want to learn English language, I will give you some very important solutions that you can follow of your daily life. And I promise you, those process will help you a lot if you are able to follow those steps. But I want to give you one more solutions for you, bro. Maybe my process, maybe my strategies are not going to help you because everyone is not same. Everyone's understandings and comprehensions skill is not same as well. But there is definitely few sides that everyone can match, everyone can follow, which is hard work, which is dedications, enough time. Those are the things is very crucial to become advanced in any languages. But what you can do of yourselves, you have to figure out the bestest ways which suit you more. Maybe I followed to learn English language and process. That was very effective for me, but might be that is not going to help you. So you can go through another process. But I will reveal today some really key strategies that you can follow for yourselves in order to become fluent in English language. So many people thinking about English language that I don't have enough time to learn English language. I would say never ever say that I don't have enough time. So many people told me I don't understand English language. So many people told me I can't speak English language, but I understand each and everything. So many people have problem. I read, I understand, and I know so many vocabularies, but I don't know how to make sentences. How to speak in front of the people. Whenever I trying to speak in front of the people, I faced some obstacle. I feeling a little bit embarrassed. I feeling a little bit shy to talking using English language in front of the people. So what should I do in that case? I would say, read up your pianist about English language. Read up your signage about English language. Maybe you understand my language, what I am talking about. Maybe more than 70 to 80% people, more than 19% of my word you understand, and other 10% you can easily guess what I am trying to talk about. So what you can do is try to listen English videos, try to listen English podcast, which is very easy, which you can understand easily. You can start learning English language through easy process, and step by step you can level up your English. You can level up your complicated ways, but at the very initial stages, at the very beginning, I will recommend you must have to start your English journey through easy ways that will help you to encourage, that will help you to keep motivated of learning process, and always try to celebrate your simple achievement. And this is also very important, to keep consistency, to be persistent of learning your English language. Whenever you will be able to persistent, whenever you be able to regular learner of any new languages, you are going to learning something new each and every day, and that will make you advance, that will make you so fluent. So you have what you should to do right now is you have to be consistent, rid of your fearness, and try to learn English language, which is more easy, which will help you to keep motivated of your English journey. And those are the very important things that you can follow of your English journey. And pray for me as well. I am still learning. I'm making mistakes sometimes, but there is no problem. I learn, I teach. This also a very crucial thing to learn in new language. Whenever you're making mistakes, whenever other people catch your mistakes, they will let you know, and there is the opportunity to fix this problem, to make your sentences correct. So let me know if I make any kind of mistakes, and if you find anything helpful from here, consider to wait for my upcoming videos. I will post my videos here in this platform each and every day. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it.